Hello, Palman. Thank you very much for taking the time to accept our interview. I'm Samara representing SteviS Tech, and we are here today to hear your honest feedback on your experience with our equipment and service.
Mhm.
Okay, so how long have you been using the welding robot?
We have been using the welding robot for about 4 or 5 months now.
Is it easy to operate?
It's surprisingly easy,
Mhm.
much easier than we initially thought. We haven't had any issues with it.
Okay, so compared to the manual welding, how do you think the robot's welding efficiency?
The robot is about 5 or 6 times faster than manual welders we have.
Okay, well, that would be great. So this time, me and Yan, our engineer, come to give you some training and have a return visit to your factory. So I want to know, is our engineer professional and patient enough for you for today's training?
Yes, of course. He was very professional and patient. I was very happy with the advice he gave me.
Thank you. So what do you think of our pre-sales and after-sales service?
Uh, we're very satisfied with your pre-sales and after-sales service. When we initially contacted you, you responded fast and adequately to our offer, to our inquiry. And your after-sales service is also very good. Your support replies promptly with good information.
Thank you for your good comment on us. And would you recommend our machines to your friends and why?
Yes, I think I would recommend your machines. I think they're very well made. For us, it is most important that the company that makes the machines remains in contact with us and we have long-term support for it. And this is exactly what we're getting.
So, what suggestions or feedback that do you have for our products or service?
I'm not sure I have any feedback. We don't have much experience in these type of machines. We're still learning, and so far we're very satisfied. I don't think I have any feedback for you.
Okay, understand. So, what are your expectations or plans for future cooperation with SteviS?
We plan to keep in touch for a long time. We have some ideas about new machines we would like. We are considering a laser cutting machine, but that's still in the early stages of discussion.
Okay, we'll keep in touch with you for sure. And so that's all. Thank you very much for your time and the valuable comments today. And we will do our best to keep improving our products and our service. Thank you.
No problem. Thank you.